on, kids. Now settle down for a new lesson. Today's lesson is: future problems can be dealt with easily if one practices caution in advance. All right, now have this milk and listen carefully. Drink. You too, dear. In a tiny village far away was a small broken road that was also the only route that gave the villagers access to the city. About 3 years ago, a statue of Lord Hanuman had been found in the middle of that road under a large tree. Around the same time, a group of mischievous monkeys had taken up residence on that tree.
Hey, 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 oh, naughty monkeys. They are crazy monkeys, very naughty monkeys.
Because monkeys are worshipped as messengers of Lord Hanuman, the villagers kept quiet despite those monkeys' nuisance.
Causing trouble, creating ruckus. Everybody is fed up of them.
Huh? Hey, my toys! These monkeys are such a pain.
On their way to work every day, the villagers would offer fruits to the Lord, which in turn became food for the monkeys. The monkeys would eat the fruit, but were always waiting for Puranmal sweets instead.
Puranmal, the sweet vendor has come. Puranmal, Puranmal's yummy sweets. Puranmal's yummy sweets. Ready to loot, they gather around, ready to pounce. These naughty monkeys troubling the town, hanging around, ready to hound. Puranmal's yummy sweets.
Shoo! You monkeys will never cease playing tricks. I'm so fed up. Oh, Hanuman, only you can help us find a solution to get rid of these naughty monkeys.
One day, the government ordered for the broken road to be repaired, and the villagers agreed with the same.
Quiet! This is a public welfare order, and therefore the tree in the middle of the road must be cut down. The statue of Lord Hanuman will be set up in the village.
Praise Lord Hanuman!
Praise Hanuman, praise Lord Hanuman, praise Hanuman.
The statue was moved to the village temple. Puranmal too started offering his sweets at the temple. The monkeys continued their nuisance, but waited for the sweets to arrive. But alas, one day, when Puranmal was passing by,
Hey, why have you blocked my way? Move aside, move.
Hey, oh, his glasses they steal.
Oh no, my glasses, they will break.
Spoiling all the sweets.
Oh my god, don't spoil my goods.
These monkeys are very rowdy.
My dhoti.
They
Why are
bring
you pulling my
trouble.
dhoti?
They are very naughty.
My dhoti! Oh Lord Hanuman.
Praise Hanuman, praise Lord Hanuman.
Quiet! We must be cautious of the monkeys for what they have done today. And therefore, in the interest of the village, the monkeys must be driven out.
I agree with you. But we must make sure that the monkeys are not harmed in the process.
Do you have such a solution?
Yes, I do. Lord Hanuman, please forgive me for the steps I'm about to take. It's time that those monkeys are driven away for our well-being. Oh, monkeys, please forgive me. Throw! Now!
the burning of those chilies created smoke that greatly discomforted the monkeys, eventually making them run away. And this is how the villagers drove the monkeys out of the village. They did not use any violence, and in turn were able to get rid of future problems.
Praise Hanuman, praise Lord Hanuman.
Praise Lord Hanuman!
Praise Hanuman. Praise!
Lesson learned?
Right and clear, Granny dear.
Come on, kids. Now settle down for a new lesson. Today's lesson is: whatever you fear is always a figment of your imagination. A change in thought is the only way to conquer that fear. All right, now have this milk and listen carefully. Drink. You too, dear. This is the story of Pompu the bird. Pompu was scared of everything. This was a cause of concern for his mother. be afraid. Go, fly.
No! I said I don't want to fly. Drop me to class or else I'm fine where I am.
Dompu uncle is coming for the first time. What will he say? Pompu still cannot fly.
Let him.
Oh God, don't know what to do with you. Let's go. Go.
Pompu is scaredy cat. Pompu is a scaredy cat.
Yes, I'm a scaredy cat. Yes, I'm a scaredy cat.
You still haven't learned to fly.
My wish, I will do what I want.
Quiet.
Huh?
Let's start today's practice session. Pompu, will you try today?
Yeah, whatever.
Fight your fear. You should fight your fear. Fight your fear. You should fight your fear. Be brave and strong. Fight your fear. Fear tries to live inside. Your heart and your mind. Your heart and your mind. Fear tries to live inside. In your heart and in your mind. Don't let it get you down. Show it what you can do. Don't let it stop you from all you want to do. Don't let it get you down. Show it what you can do. Don't let it stop you from all you want to do. Let all fear go. Let fear go. Let the fear go.
Pompu only listened to his fearful heart. One day, Dumpu uncle came for a visit. Pompu wasn't home, so his mother told him her sad plight.
This is really terrible.
Brother Dompu, I am very concerned. I still don't know what to do about this boy.
Where is Pompu?
Must be wandering somewhere, lost in his world.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Stop!
Run! Run, Pompu! Oh my god! Oh god! Pompu, fly! I'm flying! Yay! Scared of me? Catch me! Catch me if you can!
Won't you hug Dompu uncle first?
Dompu uncle? So you are Dompu uncle? Oh uncle.
You were afraid for no reason. See, you can fly now.
Oh yes! Thank you uncle.
Lesson learned?
Bright and clear, Granny dear.
Come on, kids. Now settle down for a new lesson. Today's lesson is we should always feed our mind with positivity, as negativity weakens our will and strength. Alright, now have this milk and listen carefully. Drink. You too, dear. In an unseen land far away was a large tree that stood tall amongst greenery and had many colorful butterflies living on it. On the day of Holi, all the butterflies were excitedly playing Holi on one side.
Holi, Holi, Holi today. Butterflies play Holi today. Have fun, dance in the sun. Let's be happy today. Make color bring joy to your life. Love everyone, don't fight. It is Holi, Holi, Holi today. Butterflies play Holi today. Have fun, dance in the sun. Let's be happy today.
While Lali was in the process of changing from a pupa to a butterfly. Despite the joyful atmosphere, Lali was sad.
As she had wings that were colorless.
Lali! Lali! Welcome!
Gigi?
Yes! I'm very happy to see you. Come, let's play Holi.
Gigi?
Huh?
How can I fly? I don't have colorful wings like you.
What? What does color have to do with flying? You've got your wings, which means you can fly just like me. Give it a try and you will see.
I don't agree.
At least give it a try.
Alright, if you insist, I will try it.
Huh?
I told you.
Try it once again. Hey Lali, I completely forgot. I'm sorry. You were right. Only those with colored wings can fly.
That's what.
Never mind. Fly tomorrow.
With these colorless wings.
Oh God, you don't know?
What?
The fact that we all had colorless wings before. It takes one night for the color to appear.
Really? Tomorrow I too will have colorful wings. I will fly too.
Yes, it's Holi. Have fun.
It's Holi. Yes, it's Holi.
Due to Gigi's quick thinking, Lali now has hope rising within her. That night, Lali finds herself unable to sleep in hope of her new colorful wings. But she falls asleep after a while, and the next morning, as Gigi wakes her up,
Lali, wake up. Come on.
My wings have colors. Oh my God, Gigi, I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Me too. Come, let's fly.
Yes, but me first. My name is Lali, the flying butterfly, the colorful butterfly.
Lali, follow me.
Where?
Just come.
Gigi, where are you going? Gigi! Oh, Gigi! There she is.
You flew so well.
Thanks to my colored wings.
What color?
My wings colors. Colors? Where did the colors go?
I colored your wings.
Huh?
in the middle of the night, Gigi applied color on Lali's wings. So when she would wake up, she would think that her wings finally had color.
Huh? But why?
Lali, you were of the belief that unless you have colorful wings, you can't fly. But today, despite your negative belief, you flew flawlessly with the falsely colored wings. Hence, it is proved that negative beliefs only bring failure, while positive beliefs bring success.
Yes, I agree. Let's fly again.
Let's go!
Lesson learned?